Well, hi there. I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you a couple of things that I do around the house where I use my EnviroWand and my telescopic mop pole. Okay, I have the whole mop system, so I've already taken the base off, but I'm going to show you how the EnviroWand here, this is our green, and again it comes in that really pretty teal color now too. So this handle just pops off very easily. I'm going to just put this aside and then go ahead and attach my EnviroWand to my mop pole, okay? And again, remember this guy is bendable, right? But before I bend him, I'm going to charge it up, okay? I'm just causing some static charge, and this is what's going to really attract the dust and everything that I'm about to get off of my fan, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and bend it, and I have my pole here, and you can see how I can get up to my ceiling fan, and just simply, I don't have to get up on a chair, don't have to get up on a ladder or anything, and I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to remove the dust from my fan, okay? Just like that. All right, so that's how I do a ceiling fan. Let's move on to what's next. Okay, and then here I am in my kitchen, and I'm going to show you how you can clean off the top of your microwave. And actually, I don't really even need the pole for this, but we can glide, across the top of the microwave, because, of course, there, get dust up there. I can get on top of my refrigerator, if I wanted to. And then this is like one of my favorite things, is actually getting on top of the cabinets. And as you can see, very easily, just dusting across the top. And you can see all the dust that I have up there. All right, let's see what's next. All right, and then here we are in my foyer. This is my assistant, Allison. She's my daughter. And she's going to demonstrate cleaning off. See, we have those tall, like second-story window sills. She's going to go ahead and, she's shorter than I am, so she's going to be able to show you how she can reach up there and kind of clean off the ledge. Okay, and then, you're going to do that. Good job, Allie. Very thorough. All right, and then she's going to show you how she can even reach up to my light fixture here. Kind of dark. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, Allie. Oh, there we go. Oh. She's kind of giggling there because it's kind of rocking on her. I don't have her do this, but I'm just demonstrating to show you that you can really even get up to some really high places with the EnviroWand and the telescopic mop pole. All right, I got one more thing to show you. Okay, and then, so I did take the pole off, and I just have my handle on my EnviroWand here, and again I straightened it out. Again, this is wonderful just in itself for getting some higher to reach places, bookshelves, anything you need to dust. This works very well for. Okay, but one of my favorite uses for the EnviroWand, I'm going to show you right now, is to clean out the lint trap in my dryer. Okay, you go ahead and you take this out, I don't know what it's called, the lint, whatever it's called, I'm going to toss that in there. And you always get some fuzz and stuff, some lint that gets down in this trap here, and actually from what I've read and seen before is that it can be like a fire hazard, so it's not good to have all this stuff down there with this high heat going on, right? So you just simply take your EnviroWand and you can bend it a little bit here and kind of get down in there. And there's either stuff flying out, some flew out on my floor, like bigger chunks. And then I'm getting all that dust and lint and stuff from in the trap. And then some of these bigger pieces I can kind of just pull out. Oh, here's some more on the back side as well. So it's really sticking to this microfiber. Okay, and then I'm either going to take this outside, shake it off, or I'm going to take my rubber brush and clean it off that way. Okay, and I just keep doing that. Keep doing that until it comes out clean. But as you can see, all the stuff that's actually coming out of my lint trap. So this again is one of my favorite uses for this EnviroWand, because I don't know, I've before tried to get my vacuum cleaner, with the little piece down there and everything, and it doesn't always work that well. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and have a great day.